Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me. Welcome to Ssce Maths and Further Maths Adventures. In today's presentation, we are looking at question from Senior School Certificate Examination, Neco 2024. This is paper 2, part 1, and this is mathematics. With us here is question 5a and question 5b. In my previous video, I've solved question 1 to 4. Question 5 reads, if y is equals to bracket open 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 1 bracket close bracket open 3x squared plus 4 bracket close. We are asked to find change in y with respect to x. Question 5b, given that sine open bracket x plus 30 all in degree is equals to cos 2x plus 33 all in degrees. So we are asked to find the value of x. This question carry 8 marks. First thing to do is to identify this question. 5a is from which topic? Of course, this is from differentiation, and we have different rules of differentiation. So based on this, we'll apply product rule here because this bracket is multiplying the other bracket. This is, of course, product rule. Question B, this is equation involving trigonometric ratio or trigonometric identity. So let's look at how we can solve this. Let's write down the solution. Solution now to A. Okay. Question A, we have y, which is equals to 3x squared cubed plus 2x squared plus 1 all in bracket 3x squared plus 4. From the product rule, if y is equals to u times v, okay, in this case now, this is our u and this is our v. So it means the y by the x will be equals to, we keep u, that will be u, we differentiate this v, that will be the v, the x, plus we keep v, then we differentiate u with respect to x. So this will be the formula for product rule here. Okay, so in this case, we need to find change in v with respect to change in x, meaning we need to differentiate this with respect to x, then we need to differentiate this with respect to x to find change in u with respect to x respectively. Okay, so dv dx will be equals to change in v with respect to x. Now we differentiate this using the general formula of differentiation. If we differentiate 3x squared, these two will come down and multiply this 3, it will be 6x, the power will reduce by 1, that will be 6x, plus when we differentiate the derivative of this 4 is a constant here, the derivative of a constant is 0, so we'll have only 6x. So this will be the derivative of our v. Let's move to u. Du dx now will be equals to, let's differentiate 3x cubed. The 3 will come down and multiply this 3, that will be 9x, the power will reduce by 1. If you reduce this 3, we'll have 2, plus we differentiate 2x squared, the 2 will come down and multiply 2, this will be 4x, the power will reduce by 1, we'll have that's power 1, of course it's the same thing as 4x. Derivative of plus 1 will be 0. The derivative of a constant is 0. It's one of the rules of differentiation. Okay, so with this information, we can substitute into this formula. Change in y now with respect to change in x will be equals to u. Our u is 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 1. We'll multiply it by change in v, which is 6x, plus next is v. Our v is 3x squared plus 4. We multiply it by change in u, which is 9x squared plus 4x. Okay, so we can clear the bracket here. This will be, let's multiply 6x times 3x cubed, that will be 18x power 4 plus 6x times, that will be 12x power 3 plus 6x. That's the first bracket. Now we expand this. 3x squared times 9x squared. This will be plus 3 times 9 is 27. That will be 27x power 4 plus 3x squared times plus 4x. That will be 12x cubed plus 4 times 9x squared. That will be 36x squared. 4 times plus 4x. That will be plus 16x. Finally, changing y now with respect to changing x will be, let's move here. Changing y now with respect to changing x will be, let's add those with the same power now, like x power 4, x power 4. We add this 18 plus 27, that will be 40, that will be 45. That will be 45 x power 4. We move to x power 3, 12 plus 12, that will be 24 x power 3 plus, we move to x square now. Those with x squared is only 36 here, so plus 36x squared plus those with x, we have plus 6x, then plus 16. 6 plus 16 is 22. That will be 22x. So this will be the solution to 5a. Changing y with respect to changing x will be 45x power 4 plus 24x power 3 plus 36x squared plus 22x. So this is the solution to 5a. Let's move to 5b. Let's clean here so that we can move to 5b. Okay, let's write 5b here. The question is, we have sine x plus 30 all in degree. This will be cos 2x plus 33 all in degree. And to solve this problem, let's clean here and recall from the complementary angle under trigonometry. Complementary angle means sum up to 90 degree, supplementary angle 180 degree. So let's say we have a right angle triangle here like this. Here is 90 degree. Let's say if here is theta angle theta, it means the angle here has to be less than 90 degrees. So it will be 90 degree minus theta. So from this drawing, we will recall that sine theta will be equals to cos 90 degree minus theta. Then cos theta will be equals to sine 90 degree minus theta. So let's pick the first equation and compare it with this. It means if you compare this, I have sine theta now will be x plus 30 all in degree. Okay, so it means sine x plus 30 all in degree will be equals to, anywhere I see theta on this right hand side, I will put x plus 30 degree. So this will be cos, let's use square bracket, cos 90 degree now minus, in place of theta, I will put x plus 30 all in degrees. So this is what we are going to have. Okay, so let's move here so that we can have enough space to represent that. Okay, but before that, let me bring it down here. We have sine x plus 30 all in degree will be equals to cos, so we minus this minus, will multiply this x, we have minus x minus 30 degrees. So 90 degree minus 30 degree, that will be 60 degree, then minus x degree. So it means from this equation or from the question, anywhere we see sine x plus 30 all in degree, we replace it with cos 60 degree minus x degree. So in place of this, I will put cos 60 degree minus x degree will be equals to now cos 2x plus 33 all in degree. You realize that you can divide through by cos. The cos will go. So we'll be left with 60 degree minus x degree will be equals to 2x degree. We'll remove the bracket now, plus 33 degree. So we can collect like times here. This will be 60 degree. This plus 33. When it crosses this equal sign, it will be minus 33 degree will be equals to 2x degree. This is minus x degree crosses the equal sign, it will be plus x degree. So 60 minus 33 degree, this will be 27 degree. This will be equals to 3x degree. Our aim is to find x, so we can divide through by this degree. It will go, so we'll be left with 27 now will be equals to 3x. Divide both sides by 3. And therefore, x now will be equals to 27 divided by 3 is 9. So we are asked to find the value of x. So the value of this x here is uh, 9. So it means by the time we can check by saying 9 plus 30, that will be 39. Sin 39 degree will be equals to whatever the value of x we substitute into this. The left hand side and the right hand side must be the same. We can check if truly the answer is 9. How do we do that? To check, let's say to check now this b, we are trying to check b, it will be sine 9 plus 30, that will be 39 degrees. Is it the same thing as cos 2 times 9, that will be 18. Then 33 plus 18, 51 degree. Is sine 39 degree is the same as cos 51 degree? Let's check. Ensure that your calculator is in degree. So sine 39 degree, what I have here is 0.6293. Is it the same thing as cos 51 degree? Cos 51 degree is 0.6293. They are the same. The left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So truly, the value of x is nothing but 9. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting video. God's willing, in my next video, I will solve question 6, question 7 in that order. Thank you for watching.